A for X. B for bear. C for cat. D for dragonfly. E for elk. F for frog. G for giraffe. H for horse. I for iguana. J for jaguar. K for koala. L for llama. M for mouse. N for nuts. O for ocean. P for panda. Q for quilt. R for rabbit. S for snake. T for tiger. U for unicorn. V for vulture. W for wolf. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Thank you. Subscribe please.